Good morning, children. This is the continuation of our sixth lesson. In our previous class, we have seen that where do the animals live. R-A-N-I, Rani, A-N-D, and R-A-J-U, Raju, W-E-N-T, went, T-O-2, V-I-S-I-T, visit, U-N-C-L-E, uncle, R-A-M-A-N-S, Ramans, F-A-R-M, farm. Rani and Raju went to visit Uncle Raman's farm. L-O-O-K, look, A-T, at, W-H-A-T, what, T-H-E-Y, they, D-I-D, did, T-H-E-R-E, there. Look at what they did there. Here you can see uncle and aunt, what they are doing. Here the two children came to visit their uncle and aunt. So what the aunt is doing? She is milking the cow. Here you can see. And the uncle is carrying the loads on his donkey. A-U-N-T, aunt, R-E-K-H-A, Rekha, I-S is M-I-L-K-I-N-G, milking, T-H-E, the C-O-W, cow. Aunt Rekha is milking the cow. R-A-N-I, Rani, I-S is F-E-E-D-I-N-G, feeding, T-H-E, the H-E-N-S, hens. Rani is feeding the hens. R-A-J-U, Raju, I-S is F-E-E-D-I-N-G, feeding, T-H-E, the S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Raju is feeding the sheep. T-H-E, the H-O-R-S-E, horse. I-S is C-A-R-R-Y-I-N-G, carrying. B-A-G-S, bags. A-R-I-F, Arif, B-H-A-I, bhai. Arif bhai, I-S is P-L-O-U-G-H-I-N-G, pluffing. T-H-E, the F-I-E-L-D, field. Arif bhai is ploughing the field. U-N-C-L-E, uncle, R-A-M-A-N, Raman, I-S is S-O-W-I-N-G, sowing, S-E-E-D-S, seeds, T-O-2, G-R-O-W, grow, V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. Uncle Raman is sowing seeds to grow vegetables. U-N-C-L-E, uncle, A-N-D, and A-U-N-T, aunt, A-L-S-O, also, H-A-V, have, T-W-O-2, P-E-T-S, pets, pip, P-I-P, pip, and, A-N-D, and, P-O-L-K-Y, polky. W-H-A-T, what, D-O-do, Y-O-U-U, T-H-I-N-K, think, P-I-P, pip, T-H-E, the, D-O-G, dog, I-S is D-O-I-N-G, doing, H-E, he, IS is GUARDING guarding, THE the, FARM farm, HOUSE house, farmhouse. Here we can see that Aunt Rekha is milking the cow, isn't it? She is taking out the milk from the cow. What the Raju is doing? Raju is feeding the sheeps. Feeding is nothing but giving food to them to eat is called feeding. The horse is carrying the load. And who is ploughing the field? Arif Bhai is ploughing the field. And they have two pets. What are those two pets? The two pets are Pip and Polky. Pet animals, the animals which we keep along with us at our homes or whom we train, keep along with us are known as pet animals. The two pet animals are Pip and Polky. What does this Pip help us? Help this uncle and aunt. Pip help them to guard their farmhouse, to protect their farmhouse from enemies. Enemies or also to protect them from any harm. Hope that everyone understood. Thank you.